Jack Artificial Lift Machinery Company Limited. A Schlumberger joint venture is a premier manufacturer for surface pumping units, sucker rods, and progressive cavity pump drive heads. We obtained our initial API certification in 2011 and currently hold API 11E and API 11B standard specifications, as well as the Quality Management System certificates for API Q1, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001 to ensure our products meet the requirements for the oil and gas industry and maintain a safe and clean work environment for our employees and guests at all times. Our pumping units are built for long-run life with our state-of-the-art gear hobbing machines and gearbox testing facility. All of our gearboxes are tested for noise, vibration, and bearing heat rise under load, rather than free spinning break-in time used by other manufacturers. Our bearing suppliers are subjected to a third-party test lab for quality inspection to ensure they meet our specified requirements. All of our welders are qualified with AWS D1.1 radiography qualification test rather than the simple bend test. Each welder must be qualified by this method before they are qualified to weld on any of our products. They will then be requalified annually to maintain our highest quality, and then they will be requalified annually in the same way. Some of the critical long welds on the structure are performed by robots to ensure repeated weld quality so that we have uninterrupted start-stops. We manufacture all sizes of API certified sucker rods, pony rods, and PCP drive rods, as well as specialty sucker rods. Our sucker rod manufacturing facility is automated with modern state-of-the-art equipment. The first process is to shot blast the rods clean before passing them through our 10-head roller straightener. The 10-head roller is capable of straightening rods within 0.5 millimeters per meter. The rods are then inspected by our custom eddy current inspection, which can detect less than a 0.1 millimeter transverse defects and 0.5 millimeter longitudinal defects in depth before they are forged by our high-tech robots. We use a robotic forge in order to ensure quality forged ends. We have the ability to manufacture normalized and tempered as well as quench and tempered rods in our facility to ensure we meet any customer requirements. The rods will then go through a random inspection for magnetic particle inspection process to ensure we do not have any overlaps, folds, etc. on the pin ends. Once all of this has been completed, we send the parts through the shot peener before getting cold roll threaded, ensuring stronger threads over cutting threads. After the ends have been threaded, 100% of all rods go through our state-of-the-art custom-made total indicator runout machine that measures the straightness of the rod body and pin ends with lasers at the same time. Any rejects are marked and kicked out automatically. We manufacture a full line of API couplings in all sizes and various grades, including special application couplings such as ultra-high torque, corrosive resistance, and low coefficient of friction couplings. Our coupling line is automated with robots to ensure we are manufacturing with the same quality for every piece. The surface of the spray metal coupling is hardened by special spray metal and remelted to achieve wear and corrosion resistance. After the parts have been threaded with the cold thread rolling machine, they will be inspected and transferred to the phosphating line and then oil-coated
to preserve the couplings during extended storage. Each one is laser etched with the traceability on the inside of the couplings to ensure traceability. The progressive cavity pump belt drive head uses an internal pump and anti-reverse assembly to eliminate exposed brake lines, reduce the risk of leakage, environmental pollution, and to improve product reliability and safety. The friction block of the brake is easy to replace and easy to repair and maintain. The drive heads all use Oryx patented rotary mechanical seals to greatly extend the life of the seal assembly. The revolutionary Kudu KI series drive head controls backspin by a self-contained automatic hydrodynamic brake, which uses transmission fluid for optimal braking torque and heat dissipation. There is no mechanical friction in the braking unit, therefore no wearing parts. The KI 1500 13.7T drive head is designed for rod string loads up to 13.7T and requirements up to 100 horsepower. At Jack, our mission is to create a safe and environmentally conscious culture while exceeding our customer expectations in quality, service, and cost.